Willman Education. Welcome dear learners. Today I will be talking about quadrilateral and its types. Here is the quadrilateral. You can see the drawing of a quadrilateral. A plane figure bounded by four line segments A, B, BC, CD, DA intersect only at their end points is called a quadrilateral. In short, we call quad, ABC, T. Quadrilateral. You can see over here that points A, B, C, D are called its vertices. The line segments joining the opposite vertex AC and BD are called the diagonals of the quadrilateral. In quad ABCD, ABCD are a pair of opposite sides, AD, BC are the other pair of opposite sides. Number 2, AB, BC are a pair of consecutive sides, BC, CD, CD, DA and DA, AB are the other three pairs of consecutive sides. Now we are talking about in the quadrilateral trapezium. Trapezium, it is such a quadrilateral in which one pair of the opposite sides are parallel and the other non-parallel. In the figure ABCD is a trapezium. You can see over here in the diagram. So AB is parallel to DC, but side AD is not parallel to BC. So in short, we can say a quadrilateral which has one pair of opposite sides parallel is called a trapezium. See the diagram over here. Now you are coming to parallelogram. Parallelogram is a quadrilateral which has its opposite sides parallel. In the figure, ABCD is a parallelogram with AB is parallel to CD and again AD is parallel to BC. The diagonals AC and BD of a parallelogram ABCD bisect each other at O point. You can see, then we can say that OA equals to OC and OB equals to OD. So in short, we can say quadrilateral which has each pair of opposite sides parallel is called a parallelogram. This minute difference you have to understand. You have to draw them and you have to know the characteristics of each of the quadrilateral, what I am talking about here. So this is the drawing of the parallelogram. Remember, here the angles are not 90 degree. This is the drawing of the parallelogram. You can practice it in your exercise book or copy. This AC and BD are the two diagonals which are intersecting each other at O point. There are theorems based on parallelogram that we will come to know afterwards. So remember that AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC, and here this diagonal OA equals to OC, OB equals to OD. This is the main thing. Then we are coming to rectangle. Rectangle is a parallelogram whose opposite sides are equal and each angle is a right angle. In the figure, ABCD is a rectangle. Since ABCD is a parallelogram, number 1, number 2, AB equals to CD, BC equals to AD. Again, number 3, angle A equals to angle B equals to angle C, angle equals to angle D equals to 90 degree. So this is the drawing of the rectangle where each angle we can see contains 90 degree, and when we take them together it becomes 360 degree. We know that sum of the three angles of a rectangle is 360 degrees. So it is coming under the quadrilateral. Various forms of quadrilateral you are learning. Now we are going to know about the rhombus. That's another interesting thing you have to know. Rhombus. This is the diagram of the rhombus. This is a square but not the square. Rhombus is a parallelogram in which all the four sides are of equal length. AB equals to BC equals to CD equals to DA. And remember that these diagonals are bisecting each other at 90 degree. So they are all right angle. A rhombus is a parallelogram with a pairs of its consecutive sides equal. So you have to practice them. And you have to write them also, because if you don't write then you will forget everything. So it is better to draw and then write and then learn, and then check whether your learning process is done in accordance with your drawing. Now we are coming to square. This is the drawing of the square. This is the drawing of the square. Here you know all the sides are equal. In my previous video I have told you how to find the area of rectangle as well as how to find the area of square, how to find the perimeter of a square, and also how to find the perimeter of a rectangle. All these things are done already. If you don't know, then you can see my earlier video to enrich your knowledge. Square is a parallelogram. Remember it. So a parallelogram is said to be a square if all its sides are equal and each angle is a right angle. Each angle is a right angle. That's very important thing. A square is a rectangle with a pair of its consecutive sides equal. Then coming to another one, quadrilateral, that is called kite. This is the drawing of the kite. Many often we do the kite on our own, especially the young boys. They do the competition, they make their own kite. A quadrilateral having two pairs of equal adjacent sides but unequal opposite sides is called a kite. In figure ABCD is a kite in which AB equals to CD and BC equals to CD, but AD is not equal to BC and AB is not equal to CD. Here is a one sum based on quadrilateral. Three angles of a triangle, quadrilaterals are respectively 55 degree. Let the fourth angle be x. We know the sum of the fourth angle of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. So 55 degree plus 105 degree plus 95 degree plus x degree. The unknown, the fourth angle we have taken as x, so equals to 360 degree. So then when we calculate x degree, we just minus 360 minus 255, so we got x degree, that is 105. So fourth angle is 105. This is the second sum. The angle of a quadrilateral are in the ratio 1:3:2:4. Find the angles. So this is based on the ratios, and remember that your sum of the quadrilateral of four angles equals to 360 degree. So here it is. So we know the sum of the four angles of a quadrilateral equals to 360. So x degree plus 3x degree plus 2x degree plus 4x degree equals to 360 degree. So altogether we got 10x degree is equals to 360 degree. So x equals to 36 degree. Therefore angles are 36 degree, 108 degree, 72 degree and 144 degree. Attention learners and students, important reminder, please subscribe this channel as fast as possible to get more information and lessons. Please support it by sharing it. Thank you. Goodbye.